Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers using mincemeat. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio. This ensures your burgers stay juicy and flavorful. Next, combine your mincemeat with your chosen seasonings, but be careful not to overmix it. Overworking the meat can lead to tough burgers. A good tip is to add 1 tablespoon of cold water per pound of meat to keep them moist. Now, let's form those perfect patties. Aim for about 3/4 of an inch thick and make them slightly wider than your burger buns, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. A pro tip is to press a shallow indentation into the center of each patty. This simple step prevents the burgers from bulging in the middle, ensuring an even cook. Finally, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. It's time to cook. Preheat your grill or a heavy-bottomed pan to medium-high heat. This high initial heat creates a fantastic sear, locking in all those delicious juices. Cook your patties for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a medium doneness, adjusting for your preferred level. If you're adding cheese, place it on top during the last minute of cooking. This allows it to melt beautifully over the hot burger. Almost there. For the best experience, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Now, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and crunchy pickles. Don't forget your preferred sauces, whether it's ketchup, mustard, or a special aioli. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious meal, remember to check the description below for a link to some great car air fresheners and other fantastic deals. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.